Duval County Public School children now have another option when they're not feeling well or they need to talk with someone when they're struggling with mental health issues. They can visit a doctor virtually at school or even at home. Dr. Dana Krizna is a deputy superintendent with Duval County Public Schools and joins us via Zoom this morning to explain how it works. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning. It's a pleasure, and thank you for giving us the opportunity.
Oh, I think this is such a fantastic resource for students, and we just want to make sure that parents are aware that it's even available. So let's start here. When would a student use this, for example, at school? What kind of illness or sickness?
When a student has an issue that might, such as they might have a little pink eye or an itchy eye or a rash that they're not sure what it is, they might be sent down to the clinic. And in the past, we would have called a parent and asked them to come pick up the student to find out what the issue was. And now for the students who are enrolled in the program, they can actually make an appointment online and with a nurse or school health assistant in the clinic can actually be seen by a pediatrician. The pediatrician can actually send in a prescription to your pharmacy and the parent can pick up the prescription and pick up the child and take care of it all in one stop.
Boy, that really...
So it's more like urgent care.
Yeah, it's interesting because that really saves the parent time. So is this taking the place of a school nurse and the place of emergency care?
Thank you for asking that. Not at all. No. We still want students to see their primary care physicians. It's not to replace that. It's more like urgent or acute care. So for example, there are services that we will not be offering. School physicals will not be offered. They really need to see their primary care physician for those. Immunizations, they have to be done in person. So it doesn't take care of everything, just those urgent care issues. And for students who don't have a primary care home, we work with Hazel to find students one. So we really want to make sure that all students have a home health, not just urgent care or an emergency room visit.
And you're first referring to Hazel Health, who's partnered with the Duval County Public School District to offer this. So let's switch gears now to mental health. How does this help a student who's struggling with that?
Well, we still are working with our full service schools partners primarily. But when we have a student that has an issue and can only access telehealth, they can sign on and make an appointment and actually have counseling sessions at home with a mental health therapist. It's helping with our full service schools wait lists because we do have a lot of students who need that service right now. And it's also helping with the students who are more comfortable with telehealth or are on a virtual platform for school.
And a lot of the teenagers in particular are very comfortable with anything virtual, it seems like, right? So for teenagers who may not kind of want to talk to their parents about something that they're going through, can they use this service and expect confidentiality?
Students can access the telehealth, but they have to have parent consent. Parents have to sign them up for the services. And parents will actually get a link to join the medical visits, and they'll know when a student is visiting for the telehealth or the teletherapy.
And would you explain to our parents who are watching then what they need to do to provide consent?
Sure. The easiest way is to apply online. And if you go to the duvalschools.org website, there's an announcement tab on the front page, and there is an opportunity there to click on it. In addition, if you go to your school's websites, under announcements, you can see the link there as well.
Doctor, I know this started a few weeks ago. How's it going? Are there a lot of students who are enrolled?
We're rolling it out at schools that have the school nurses first. And as we add the school health assistants to the other schools, we're rolling it out to those schools. But parents can already access it online at home. So parents can sign up for an appointment at home as well. So it's available to all of our students. Even our homeschool students who are taking one or more courses with us through gifted services or virtual or exceptional education.
It helps everyone. Dr. Dana Krizna, thank you for your time this morning. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And I want to point out, as soon as a parent fills out the consent form, students can start using this free health service within Duval County Public Schools. Again, you can go to my.hazel.co/Duval Schools, and it's free.